pretties. All right, let's get started. So if you don't have the Pinterest app on your phone, you're not really living. So you need to get it. Go on your Pinterest app. Here's what my page look like. I go, since I already have my stuff pinned, this is what you do. So one of the things I like to do, I like to scroll to Pinterest. You see all these cute outfits. I look at stuff like this, and if I see one that I like, I pin it to a board. So let's go to one of my boards. I have a board that's called Pretty Smart Chick. I have another one called Lola Pretty Smart Chick, because that's what I really call y'all in my head. I was like, hey Lola. So this is the outfit that I was inspired by, because even though I didn't have this exact skirt, I have a skirt like this and I have a shirt like that, and I also have a denim jacket. So I decided that I wanted to recreate that, and so I pinned it to the board and I was like, what can I do? So let me back out of this and show you. I went to my phone and I went to my closet and I laid out an outfit just like that. So, and I took a picture of it. Yeah, y'all gonna see all my business, but y'all ain't gonna see nothing nude. So that's why I'm scrolling. That's the outfit, but this is how I laid it out. Oh, I'm so vain. So I was like, oh, I got that. I went and laid it out myself. Cute, right? Then I found another really cool app named Combine, where you can put outfits together. You can create a mood board. So I decided to create a few. These are a few of my mood boards. Here's the one that I created for that particular outfit that I saw in Pinterest, the hair and everything, because I do plan on getting my hair braided one day. But I was like, oh, that's cute. And I'm gonna shoot another video. I'm gonna post the picture of the final results. I had my niece to shoot my picture. She did great on the picture, but she sucked at the video. But I'm gonna show that to you as well. But the outfit was real cute. All right, pretties, that is one way you can update your style using Pinterest.